Hey guys, Beck here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. It has been such a long time since I've uploaded on this channel and a long time since I've done one of these sit down kind of videos. Normally I do my makeup or maybe like a clothing haul or something like that, but it has been ages. All I've uploaded is some travel vlogs from my trip to Queensland with my friends Ash and Jack and a trip to New Zealand with my now fiance. Speaking of now fiance, this video is a wedding video. Yay! Well, part of the wedding video. I am going to show you how I put together my bridesmaid proposal boxes for my 3 best friends who I'm going to ask to be my bridesmaids. So I've done these boxes for about $30. That is not including the box itself or the materials that I used to make things on my Cricut, but they were things that I did already have in my Cricut craft stash. So if you would like to see what I put in these boxes, I'm using things from local vendors and Kmart. So all things you can get here in Australia. So if you would like to see what I've put in here, keep on watching. So for the boxes themselves, I got these flat pack boxes from Etsy. What they do is they just stick together on the corners and build a box. I will show you the box in 1 second. As I said, I didn't include these in the price of that $30. You can get boxes from Etsy, Alibaba have lots of boxes, eBay. You can also even just go to your local Kmart or Reject Shop to get a box that will suit what you want to do with your bridesmaid boxes. So I've made all the boxes already. If you do want to see how I decorated them, made them on the Cricut, let me know. I can definitely do a video on that. The fonts I used, the vinyls and everything, but I just thought I'd show you for this video what is in the boxes. So this is what the box looks like once you've made it, and it flips open like this. So what I've done on the top here in a gold glittery vinyl is put the bridesmaid's name. And then on the little clasp here, I've just put her initials, so AW. And if you lift that one open, you can see it there. This is Ash is going to be my maid of honor, hopefully, if she says yes. And I just put will you be my maid of honor at the top there. So inside the box, I've put a couple of goodies. I didn't go too OTT, and I also didn't want to put in, I guess, kind of, for lack of a better word, little like knick-knacky kind of things. I wanted to put in things that I thought that the girls would each use. So first of all, what I put in was a glass. This is a stemless champagne glass. This is from Kmart. This is the Luster stemless champagne glasses. I think they are a Christmas thing at the moment. I've just put Ashley's name on that one using like a light pink vinyl. I've made that on my Cricut. That's the same color that I put on the inside of the box, except this one does have some glitter through it. I don't know if you can really see it on there. So these glasses did come in a pack of 6. The pack of 6 was $15, so that is $2.50 each for a glass. You can always put this in without the personalization. It's still a really nice glass, and it's kind of like holographic. I don't really know if you can see it on here, but I will put it here on the screen so you can see it on the website. So what I picked up next to put in the box, again, I wanted things that were usable, and I thought everybody loves a candle. So I picked up this little 3-pack of candles from Kmart. There's 3 different flavors in there. I've kind of blanked on them now, but this one in particular is vanilla bean tart, and I think there's like 2 berry style ones. It's just a little candle. It's got a little gold logo and just one of these little lids. These were $12 for 3, so they come to $4 each. And I just printed a sticker on my Cricut, just a basic one that says will you be my maid of honor. I made the design on Canva just so I could have that soft edged rectangle. I don't know if there's a specific name for them. And then I just thought that the girls could just pick that off if they didn't want it on there anymore and just have the little candle. And next up, I wanted to put in something edible for the girls, so I decided to put in some cookies. So one of my mum's friends from her work makes these delicious sugar cookies, and she made me these really beautiful white and gold cookies. She charged me $30 for 12, so that comes to $2.50 each a cookie. I put in 3 cookies for the girls. So I picked, as I said, white and gold. There's a little gold leaf on there. This one says will you be my maid of honor. I put one with their name. This one in particular says Ashley, and this one says love Beck. We also got another 3, but we ate them, so because it was unfair that we missed out on the cookies, so I had to have some. So they were a cute little treat that could be again personalized to put in the box, and something that I thought that they would enjoy. Last up, I had bought myself this specific bottle of vodka from the bottler near my house from a local distillery called the Newey Distillery, which is actually probably about 20 minutes from my house, and I went to their little bar the other night and it was great. So if you are a Newcastle local, definitely check out Newey Distillery. It was quite good. Anyway, that's not the point of this. You may have seen them advertised on Instagram or Facebook, but what they do is they do the vodkas with the glitter in them. So they're really cute. They normally come in like the bigger bottles, possibly like 100ml, 75ml bottles, but they do little gift packs. So they do little gift packs where you can get like 3 bottles. They range from about $45 to $50. I got the 3-pack for $50. They are 20ml bottles and they look like this. So we got the Sweet Tooth pack, which came with a musk vodka, campfire vodka, which I think is a s'mores marshmallow flavor, and a creaming soda vodka. And if you shake this one here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is just all glittery. So that was really cool. So this was the most expensive thing I've put in there, these little bottles of vodka. Because they were $50 for 3, they did work out to be $16.60 each. So that is the most expensive thing that I put in there. So of course, I just looked at a couple of other options on the Dan Murphy's website for things you could put in here that may be a little bit cheaper. This is my favorite one, Innocent Bystander. It's a pink Moscato and it is just amazing. So you can get a 4-pack of those for $21.99, which would bring them down to $5.50 each, which then would make your gift box, or let's say around $20 as opposed to $30. There was also this little pack. If you're not a vodka person, you could do these gins. This pack is $40, $10 each, as opposed to the 16, which would also save you some money. So that would become, I think, about 25. Math isn't my strong suit. I can do the sums on the screen, but it would also be a little bit cheaper than doing the vodka bottles. If you're more into whiskey, you could get this current 3-pack at Dan Murphy's. This is $34.99 and it would bring them down to $11.60. You could also do this for your groomsmen boxes if you're proposing to them. So whilst all that I put in there came to $30, not including the box, I am lucky enough to have a Cricut, so I was able to personalize the cups and the candles and the boxes and things like that. You of course don't need to make all those stuff. You could handwrite it. If you've got a friend who's good at calligraphy, they could do it for you, or just forego the personalization. You don't have to go for custom cookies. You could also add just their favorite chocolate bar or their favorite sweet treat. And same with the drinks. It doesn't even have to be alcohol or a straight spirit. It can be like a little bottle of wine if they've got a specific, maybe they're like a Coca-Cola addict. Heaps of people just love Coke. You could just chuck a little can of Coke in there, or maybe like a bottle of ginger beer, or even if you like kombucha, like a nice glass. You know, it doesn't have to be this specifically, or it can just be something that's really specific to your friendship. Another thing that I really liked for bridesmaid boxes, which I didn't end up doing, was just buying a frame and getting a nice photo of the two of you and putting it in there. Another thing I may still do is to write a nice letter that just explains to them why you love them and why you're excited to have them by your side on your big day. So that is my final look at my bridesmaids boxes. If you have any questions for me, make sure you leave them below. I hope you like the little boxes that I put together. I'm hoping to do a bit more wedding content. So I am going to be a 2022 bride in New Zealand, which is super exciting. So if you're interested in how I've planned an overseas wedding, I'm happy to do some videos on that. I'm also trying to be quite budget conscious with all this. So when it comes to looking for my dress, I can talk you through my venues and everything like that. So thank you again for stopping by. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!
I have seen that face more than a million